Hello friends. How are you? Welcome to MrQuiz.
What is the name of Earth's moon? Phobos, Ganymede, and Luna. Luna next! Which planet is famous for its rings? Saturn, Neptune, and Uranus. Saturn is right. Which planet has a moon named Europa? Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. Jupiter, next. What is the name of the spacecraft that first landed on Mars? Apollo 11, Viking 1, and Voyager 2. Viking 1. What is the name of the galaxy we live in? Andromeda, Triangulum, and Milky Way. Milky Way galaxy, next. What celestial body orbits a planet? Moon, asteroid, and star. Moon, good job. Which planet has the fastest rotation? Jupiter, Mercury, and Earth. Jupiter planet next. What planet is known as the evening star? Mars, Venus, and Jupiter. Option B is Venus. What is the smallest planet in our solar system? Pluto, Mars, and Mercury. Mercury, well done! Which planet has the highest mountain in the solar system? Earth, Mars, and Venus. Mars, next. Which planet is known for having a day longer than its year? Venus, Mercury, and Saturn. Venus, next! Which planet is known for its giant storms? Neptune, Jupiter, and Uranus. Jupiter is right. What is a black hole? A dense star, a hole in space, and a region of space with high gravity. A region of space with high gravity. Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. Mars, next! What is the closest planet to the Sun? Earth, Venus, and Mercury. Mercury, next! What is the largest moon of Saturn? Titan, Europa, and Callisto. Titan, good job! Who was the first person to walk on the moon? Yuri Gagarin, Buzz Aldrin, and Neil Armstrong. Neil Armstrong, next. Which planet is known for its great red spot? Neptune, Jupiter, and Mars. Jupiter, next. How many planets are in our solar system? 8, 9, and 7. Next quiz. What is the primary component of Jupiter's atmosphere? Helium, methane, and hydrogen. Hydrogen, next. Which planet is called the morning star? Mars, Venus, and Jupiter. Venus, next! What type of galaxy is the Milky Way? Spiral, elliptical, and irregular. Spiral, next! What is the name of Mars's largest moon? Phobos, Deimos, and Titan. Phobos is right. How many moons does Earth have? 2, 1, and 3. One. Next. What is the name of the largest known star? UY Scuti, Betelgeuse, and Rigel. UY Scuti, next! Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. What is the main component of the Sun? Carbon, helium, and hydrogen. Hydrogen, next! Which planet is known as the ice giant? Neptune, Uranus, and Mars. Uranus. What is the name of Saturn's largest moon? Titan, Rhea, and Enceladus. Titan, next! Which planet has the longest day? Neptune, Venus, and Jupiter. Venus. Which planet has a day longer than its year? Venus, Mercury, and Earth. Venus, next. Which planet has a moon named Titania? Uranus, Neptune, and Saturn. Uranus, next. Which planet has the largest crater in the solar system? Mars, Mercury, and Jupiter. Mercury, next! What is the closest star to Earth? Proxima Centauri, Sirius, and Alpha Centauri. Proxima Centauri is right. What is the term for a planet's path around the Sun? Revolution, rotation, and orbit. Orbit, next! Which planet is most similar in size to Earth? Venus, Mars, and Neptune. Venus, next! What is the name of the storm system on Neptune? Great Dark Spot, Great Red Spot, and Great Blue Spot. Great Dark Spot, next! Which planet is famous for its vertical tilt and seasons? Earth, Uranus, and Venus. Uranus. Which planet has the most extreme seasonal changes? Uranus, Earth, and Saturn. Uranus, next! Which planet is known as the morning star? Jupiter, Mars, and Venus. Venus, next! What is the name of the first artificial satellite launched into space? Sputnik 1, Apollo 11, and Voyager 1. Sputnik 1, next quiz! Which planet is known for its very low density? Mars, Neptune, and Saturn. Saturn, next! What is the name of the largest volcano in the solar system? Olympus Mons, Mount Everest, and Mauna Kea. Olympus Mons, next. Which planet is the hottest in the solar system? Mercury, Venus, and Mars. Venus is right! What phenomenon causes the northern lights? Solar flares, lunar eclipse, and solar wind. Solar wind, next. What is the name of the region of space beyond Pluto? Kuiper Belt, Oort Cloud, and Asteroid Belt. Oort Cloud, next. What is the main component of Saturn's rings? Ice, rock, and metal. Ice, next. Which planet is known for its extreme axial tilt? Neptune, Uranus, and Mars. Uranus. What is the name of the space agency of the US? NASA, ESA, and Roscosmos. NASA, next. Which planet is known for having an enormous magnetic field? Earth, Mars, and Jupiter. Jupiter, next. Which planet has the most moons? Saturn, Jupiter, and Neptune. Jupiter, thank you for watching.